Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to find events on Ticketswap. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Ticketswap account, which of course I have done right here. The next thing is, how can you create an account on Ticketswap? I'll show you right away. Launch in a browser of your choice and locate the search bar. In the search bar of your browser, type ticketswap.com, and that's going to take you into the official website for Ticketswap. Once you get into the website, just follow through the on-screen prompts to create your account, and after signing in successfully, it's going to take you right into this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time on Ticketswap. So now that we're here, let's quickly hop into today's text, and that is how to find events on Ticketswap. From this homepage, I would like you to head over to the top corner of your screen where you have the search bar, and you have this magnifying lens right next to it. So go ahead and click on the search bar. So in this search bar, you can go ahead to find any country. So I like to start with country, right? Let's say I want to use, or any city, let's say New York City in US. So right here you have the all results, and you have events, and you have venues, you have cities, you have artists. So go ahead and click on events. So you can start by, searching for the country, and after doing that, you're going to just click on events, and you see all the events in that city or in that country. So go to the event tabs, and now you have a search result here. So you have the Summit One Vanderbilt, you have the Lion King, and you have Paris Hilton, you have Hamilton, you have Hauser, you have NEAT, the Lion King, you have Turner Dots, you have Final Fantasy, you have Kiltony, all of this, the Museum of Modern Art, Solomon R, you have Empire State Building General Admission, Edge at Hudson Yards, Top of the Rock, Billy Joel, and Boiler Room. Now, if these are not satisfactory, go ahead and click on Show More Results, and it's going to display a wide array of further results. So go ahead and click on Events again, and now you have this. More results, show more. There are a lot more results. Just go ahead and clicking on show more, and you find a lot of events in here. So this is pretty much the process. Now you can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.